Hello everyone, my name is TYCOON and welcome to this video. Last time we ended this tutorial off with just changing the font and making it look a bit nicer than it was before. Today what we are going to do, we are going to clean the UI up a bit, and we're also going to change this so the money here goes up when we actually get money. And we are also, last of all, going to add a progress bar. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we are not going to do a whole lot of cleanup, but a bit at least. So what I want to do is move this buy button here a bit over, like that. And then in the buy button, I also wanna just make this $50 here, and then just remove the $50 text here, like that. Delete, and as you can see, the $50 doesn't get a place here in this. So solution to that is that we make it a bit wider, the button, like that. Okay, pretty cool. Now this amount text I feel is a bit too messy. It's way like in the middle of the thing, so I just wanna move it down to like middle here, like that. Yeah, like that. Looks cool. Move it like that. And then I also wanna move the ice cream stand down and a bit more to the center, because in the middle here we need place for a progress bar to have place. Okay, so that's really all the wait, maybe a bit more to the center. Yeah, now it looks good. So that's all the cleanup I really wanna do today. I think it already looks a lot better, and yeah, just simply better. So yeah, we are probably going to change this even more in the future, but for now this will be good. Okay, next up we're going to change the what is it called, the text here, so it actually updates, because now if we start, the timer is 5 seconds, so if we wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, as you can see, this doesn't update. And as I maybe showed you last time, you can't drag the TMP texts into here. So we're going to change that. Oh, let's not make that a child of that. Okay, so this actually has a really simple fix. You just go up here, put using TM Pro semicolon, and then you change this from text to text mesh pro UGUI, and then again here as well, text mesh pro UGUI, like that. And that basically fixed everything, or should have fixed everything at least. Now if we go back here into Unity, go on to Game Manager and drag this text in here. This is that, and this is that, and then play. Let's see if it works. Okay, waiting, and it should update any second now. Maybe. Do we have any errors? No. Okay, something's wrong then. Oh, I see. Okay, so there's yeah, I see what I've done wrong here. So here, here's the money text, here's the shop amount text, and it's here we also should change this to a UGUI. So just, this is not a script by the way, so you add using TMP Pro like that, and then change this from text to text mesh text mesh pro UGUI like that. Save, go back here, and then just drag that in there, and now it should work fine. Okay, let's wait, and let's see, still nothing. That's strange. That's really strange. Let's see what's going on here. So, where's ice cream stand? I don't think this has anything to do with it. So this is actually, when I tested this before recording, this worked fine. Oh wait, nah, but what? Money text dot get component. Should this maybe be text mesh pro UGUI? Let's see if that does anything, and I reckon that we need to change it here as well. So to make life easier for ourselves, let's just paste that in there. And let's play once again and see if this now works. Yes, okay, now it works. Okay, so that was the problem. And also I think this text looks kinda big, so I'm going to make it a bit smaller. So maybe half, so that'll be 125, nah, 230, 40, yeah, and just also I'll make this number here, I'll make it like let's see, where's the offset here? You know what, never mind. Let's just leave that like there, and pivot, no, actually not. Yeah, let's and make this a bit smaller then as well. So what did we make it? 240, and then let's play again. Let's see, and money start rolling in. Let's wait just a bit more, and as you can see, we can't buy these shops. We don't start earning any faster. Any second now we should have $50, and boom, now we can buy. And I see I accidentally changed this. So game manager, shop amount text, that should actually be, let's think, yeah, that should actually be this amount text here. So change that back to shop amount text back to text, and this back to text. Yeah, so this is my bad right here. And let's wait, and shop amount number, drag that in there. We can try it, because why not? We can just pump up these base earnings here, so like that, and now it works fine. That's all for that. Now let's actually add a timer thingy, or so we can see when we get paid. So go to ice cream stand, right click UI and slider. As you can see, we have created a nice little timer or slider here. Rename it to like progress slider, or just progress slider, like that. Then what we want to do is we want to make the fill area, we want to make it green. Alright, green background, so it looks a bit better than when we see our progress going up. And then last thing we want to do is just delete this handle slide area. Just delete that and you'll be good to go with that slider. Now what you want to do is open up this earn money script here. And what you wanna do is go up here and we wanna create two new things. No, three actually. First of all, private float store timer, and this will be 2f, and you need to make the float, otherwise this timer will not work. And then replace this wait for seconds down here with store timer. So it still will be 2 seconds. You can of course bump it up now if you want, but yeah, just change that. And then also private float current timer as well. And just leave this empty, we don't need anything there. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to create an update method. So void update, like that. And now it's actually really simple. We just want to do current timer plus equals time dot delta time. And what time dot delta time is, not text, time dot delta time is that even when it's in update, and updates, as you might remember, updates every frame, time dot delta time makes it update every second, or not the entire method, but this will update every second. So yeah, and then just end it off with a semicolon. And I see that we forgot to create one thing. We want to make it serialized field, private not float slider and progress slider, end off with a semicolon. And here just make progress slider dot value equals store time, no, not store, current timer divided by store timer, like that, and end it off with a semicolon. Then last thing we want to do is that when this all has happened, we want to reset the current timer, and we do that by doing current timer equals 0. And that should be everything. Now everything you basically have to do is go here, go into game manager, drag the slider into here and play, and you'll see something very cool happen. So as you can see, we're progressing, and when the timer comes to end, or the progress bar comes to its end, we get money. So yeah, that's pretty cool in my opinion. Okay, but that's all for this episode. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, I know I don't have much else to say. So yeah, take care everyone, don't get the coronavirus, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!